Welcome back to another episode with Chef D Way. And today, yes sir, we're cooking butternut squash risotto with some chicken thighs. You don't want to miss this. We're making a risotto, baby. We got some Oreo, rice, butternut squash. I have a shallot, favorite wine. I'm gonna cook that all out, don't worry. Chicken stock. Watch this. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our butternut squash. We're gonna cut this baby in half. Scoop the seeds out. Get rid of those seeds. Place them face down on our tray here. We have our cooking tray. Get the cooking tray, please. Alright, throw it in the oven at 350 until it's nice and fork tender. So I can stick a fork in it. Look up here. So I can stick a fork in, smoothly in and out. That's how I know that's ready. Once that's ready, we'll start our risotto. Watch this. No one wants a risotto by itself, so we're gonna make a risotto with some chicken thighs, skinless chicken thighs. Got a little bit of sweet and smoky Kansas City rub, a little Creole seasoning, some Lowry's, some black pepper, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. Here we go. Here we go. Take a look at those chicken thighs. Oh my goodness. You can't tell me those don't make your mouth water. Let's keep going. It's time to pull out our squash. Oh yeah. That looks good. So what I did next was I took 1/2 of my butternut squash, scooped the insides out, and put it in the blender. Added some heavy whipping cream, about 2 knocks of butter or a little bit more, unsalted butter. Added some salt and pepper and a little bit of maple. Blended it up really nicely until I got a silky, nice, smooth puree. When making a risotto, things can go wrong really quickly if you don't give it your full attention for at least 22 minutes. On my stove, you'll see a pan and a pot. In that pot is chicken stock that's been warmed up. In the pan, I'm going to oil it down with some avocado oil using a napkin. Turn my heat on medium-high. Add my rice, enough rice to cover the bottom of the pan. If you want to use measurements, you can do 8 ounces. It's totally fine. I just wanted to eyeball it till it covered the bottom of my pan completely. And from there, I'm going to let it sit, get warmed up toasted, not too toasted to where it's changing colors. I'll throw my shallots in for the aroma and the flavor. It turns out beautiful. You'll hear it actually sizzling when I throw the shallots in. And from there, as the shallots cook down some, I'll add my wine of choice, as you see here. And I'm gonna cook the alcohol out. And as the alcohol is being cooked out, we will then begin to add our chicken stock. We're not gonna add a whole lot of chicken stock to while it's boiling, but we wanna add just enough chicken stock to where it absorbs the chicken stock. And you have to continue to stir, keep the rice off the side of the pans, stir, 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 and add more chicken stock until your rice is at a perfect texture to where your desires. Not too mushy, not too crunchy, the happy medium. And I think we found it. I also added some butter, Himalayan salt, black pepper. As I turned my heat down nearing the end, I added some of my puree sauce in. Then I added some Parmesan cheese, as you see here. It looks amazing. Before finishing it off with some more chunks of squash that I had left over, mixing it all up and getting ready for the presentation. Check this out. All right, guys, listen. I forgot to hit record while I was eating. I'm already almost halfway through it. If you look at this picture here, I'm going to show you right now, you'll see, man, this was beautiful. It looked good, smelled good, and it tastes amazing, guys. Amazing. If you have questions on the exact amount of ingredients, you leave a comment below. I'll get that to you. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you need to subscribe now, because this is just the beginning of what we're gonna do. I think we have duck maybe coming up next, and I can't wait to try that. We may even have lamb as well, a rack of lamb. A lot is coming, and I don't want you to miss it. So if you haven't seen any of my videos yet, you should see a notification pop up on the top of your screen that says, hey, check this out. Tell me what you think of this risotto. If you've ever made it before, if you have, what did you do differently? What would you add or take away? Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. See you. Chef D. Way.